brushing my teeth. Brushing her teeth, excuse me. Okay, so I need to procure a cup of water. A toothbrush, toothpaste. What else might I need? Some napkins, maybe?
Bib.
A bib, yes. So I can use a bib or a towel. What else do I need?
Gloves.
Gloves, very good. Okay, so I'll use the clothing protector. I'll get the gloves. You can make as many trips to the clean area as you want to. Okay. Miss Lily, I'm going to help you brush your teeth now. Is that all right with you? She says yes. I'm going to pull your curtain for privacy. I'm going to raise the head of your bed up to the highest, as high as it will go. Raise the head of the bed till she's sitting as straight up as possible. Now I'll put on my clean gloves. Now remember, this is done on a live client. Placing either a towel or a clothing protector over Miss Lily's chest. You do not have to fasten it. Miss Lily is up as high as she can go, so she won't aspirate. Keeping everything all nice and clean. Miss Lily, would you like a sip of water? Miss Lily takes a sip of water. She spits in here while I hold it. She's not allowed to touch anything. Now, it says I must wet my toothbrush, right? So I'm going to pour water over the toothbrush. Then it says applies toothpaste to the moistened toothbrush. So I'm going to actually put toothpaste on my toothbrush. Okay. And now I'll begin to wash Miss Lily's teeth. I'm going to start in a systematic fashion. I'm going to first brush her outer surfaces of her upper molars. Putting the toothbrush in there, I'm going to brush her upper teeth like this. Moving around a little bit. And then the chewing surfaces of her upper teeth. Then the inner surfaces of her upper teeth. Okay. Then I'll brush the front teeth. The outer surfaces of the upper teeth. Now the inner surfaces of the upper teeth. Would you like to spit, Miss Lily? I hold it for her, she spits. And if she needs to have her face wiped, I can wipe her face, okay? Okay. Now I'm going to do the outer surfaces of the top teeth and the molars. Then the chewing surfaces with my toothbrush pointed upward, chewing surfaces. And now the inner surfaces of the molars. So I'm in her mouth and I'm brushing the back, her back teeth. Okay, and now I'll do the lower teeth. The molars on this side, the outer surfaces, I will brush back here. And then I will brush the chewing surfaces, so my tines are pointed down. And now I'll brush the inner surfaces of the lower molars. Do you need to spit, Miss Lily? There you go. Now her bottom front teeth, the outer surfaces. Then the inner surfaces of the lower front teeth. And then the outer surfaces of the lower back teeth. The chewing surfaces of the bottom back teeth. Then the inner surfaces of the bottom back teeth. Do you need to spit, Miss Lily? There you go. She spits. She brought her mouth. Would you like to rinse now? She spits. Would you like to rinse again? Until your client says she's all finished rinsing. Okay, I'm all finished, Miss Lily. Throw this right in the trash.
Miss Tammy, you didn't do the tongue.
Oh, I forgot the tongue. Thank you. Brush the tongue. That is my worst. That actually is my worst fault on this one. Brush the tongue. Would you like to rinse and spit? Rinse. Spit. Nobody else is going to forget to do the tongue, right?
No.
You wouldn't do that to me, right?
You drilled that in us.
But not into me. Alrighty, so now I have gotten her dirty stuff thrown away, and it's okay. I can put this down here, right here, like this. I can take this off. Where does it go? In the trash can? On the table?
Laundry.
Laundry, right. Okay. And then we'll just go with this. Now, it doesn't tell me to do anything with the toothpaste, the water, the baby wipes, or nothing, right? Doesn't tell me, it just says that I need to take care of this. Okay? I'm going to go take care of this. It says rinses and dries the basin. And rinses the toothbrush. Rinses and dries the basin. So I'm going to dry my toothbrush too, because I have to keep my toothbrush nice and clean. Keep the toothbrush nice and clean. So at this point, if I want to wrap the toothbrush in there, does it tell me what to do with the toothbrush and the basin? So I'm going to bring it back to her. All right. Now, I'm going to doff my gloves, grasp at the palm, pull it off. Slip my fingers underneath the glove without touching the outside. Pull it off, throw it away. Perform hand hygiene even though I'm not finished. Miss Lily, I'm all finished. Is there anything else I can do for you? No? Okay, I'm going to lower your bed to the lowest position for your safety. I'm going to give you your call light. I see you have your call light. All right. Skill complete. Ready for the next